In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know the simplest and most reliable ways to present your deck, along with a few tips to keep everything running smoothly. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and either joining an existing meeting or starting a new one. Once you're in the meeting and ready to present, look for the share icon in the meeting controls. It's the button with an upward pointing arrow. Click it to open your sharing options. Now you'll choose how to share your slides. The recommended method is PowerPoint Live. In the PowerPoint Live section, you may see your recent files listed. If your presentation is there, select it. If not, click Browse to upload your file from your device or your cloud storage. PowerPoint Live is great because it gives your audience a smoother viewing experience, and if allowed by your organization's settings, participants can navigate slides on their own without interrupting your view. You also get built-in presenter tools, like your speaker notes, a laser pointer, a pen, and a highlighter, all visible only to you while your audience sees a clean slide view. If you prefer, you can share your screen or a specific window instead. Under Screen or Window, choose the PowerPoint window you want to show. This mirrors exactly what's on your screen, which can be useful if you're quickly switching between apps. Just keep in mind that viewers can't control slides and you won't have the same presenter tools available. It's also a good idea to close unrelated windows and silence notifications before sharing to keep things focused. When you're ready to present, move through your slides using the arrow keys on your keyboard or the on-screen controls. If you're using PowerPoint Live, open Presenter View to see your notes and upcoming slides, and use the laser, pen, or highlighter to emphasize key points. These tools help keep your audience engaged while you stay organized behind the scenes. When you're finished, click Stop Sharing at the top of the screen to return to the regular meeting view. Your audience will immediately stop seeing your slides. If you want to make things even easier, you can upload your slides before the meeting starts. Go to your meeting chat in Teams, click the attach icon, and upload your PowerPoint file. This puts your deck right at your fingertips when it's time to present. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.